What's going up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, this is a fish tasting test. We're testing some grouper. We already got it cooked, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, we're about to taste test it once my dad gets some of the baked potatoes over there.
It's a grouper.
Grouper?
Cooked on the grill.
Cooked on our grill. Dad's about to taste it with me. His is still cooking. We're going to try his later.
We got some baked potatoes.
Got a fork. Got our drinks. Dad's getting ready. He's gonna grab his grouper out of this little right here. See, his isn't in there. That's his grouper. He added extra seasoning to it. So we're about to taste test it, even though we're not gonna it's nothing else, like no gaming, no updates. But this is a grouper. This is a piece of grouper. Right here is the grouper. Alright, Daddy, ready?
Yeah.
Ready for it? Here's your piece. Alright, so on 3.
That came out really good. Tastes like steak almost, huh?
A little cold, but that's okay.
Nice and
How'd it
warm.
come out?
It came out really good.
You like it?
So, me and my dad like the grouper. We cannot stop eating this.
Get over here and get a little bit of this
Baked potato.
baked potato.
Yep, I'll get mine.
Get a little closer.
Yeah.
Some more grouper.
Yeah, we got the noodles over here.
Oh, this over here. Fine. That's good.
Right here. The noodles.
So we just munch on all the plates.
Yep. So we'll get back with. So we're just eating food. We're about to watch House on the Clock and Walls, right?
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna watch House with a Clock in the Walls. A good grouper. Here's more.
My dad. Actually, I have never tried grouper until now.
Yep.
It's really good.
It is delicious.
You guys out there, you guys should buy some grouper. Cook it like
On the grill.
on the grill.
Yep.
Let it sit about for half an hour. And once it's done, you can add seasoning before you put it in there.
Yep. And butter and garlic and
Yeah, we put lemon on ours so we can have the extra tasting. We also have all of these seasonings on here that my dad did. And
paprika. There's all kinds of seasonings on there. Came out very, very good.
my dad's right now is in that little oven. I'll show
Yep.
you.
I'm making some blackened.
He's checking on his right now. Like, this is super good, guys. Super good, guys. It tastes like, I don't know how to explain how it tastes.
What does it taste like? How does it taste, Nick? Tell them how it tastes.
So, it tastes like from, what was the seasoning that you said?
Well, there's a few different types of seasoning.
Well, tell me one more.
Well, there's paprika.
Alright, so he added a lot of paprika, I can see, but okay, it tastes like kind of like trout to me, but different.
There's paprika.
it's-
There's dried thyme, onion powder. Here, you read the list.
So for the blackened grouper, we have Cub smoked paprika,
Paprika,
dried
thyme.
thyme. You guys can read that. I'm gonna read it to you now.
Okay.
So paprika, thyme, or thyme.
Thyme.
Fine. Onion powder. We have kosher salt, garlic powder, ground black pepper, dry mustard, red pepper ground, melted butter, grouper grouper fillets, olive oil, and lemons half crosswise.
Mm-hmm.
So right there, these are all the instructions to bake it,
Grill it.
grill it,
Okay.
and so we're pretty much eating all of the shrimp. My dad right now, and in the back, he's cooking his over back there, right? Is that right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Yours?
Yep. Making some black in the grouper.
Yep. And we're gonna try that too, right?
Mhm.
Hopefully his is really good too. I actually want to try and try it, but this is the regular grouper, but not blackened.
Mm-hmm.
Out there, guys, you should try this. It's super good. My dad made it. Like, he didn't catch the fish or anything. They bought it from a store,
It's fresh.
fresh.
Okay, now where does it come from? Louisiana?
Where did this come from? Where did this fish come from, Mom?
Huh?
Where did the fish come from? Like Louisiana?
And it came from the Gulf.
The Gulf.
From the Gulf.
From the Gulf?
There's a fish guy that brings fish up fresh every now and then, and they brought up from fish from the Gulf. They had grouper and snapper and shrimp and
Trout.
yeah, now they have trout. And they had all kinds of stuff they brought up.
Yeah. So, Dad, how does it taste to you?
It tastes delicious.
So,
Almost as good as trout. Remember
So it
the
tastes
whole
like-
deep fried trout. It's awesome.
what it tastes like? It tastes like, so, we have some lemon in it, which adds the extra flavor.
If you really can't taste, huh?
Yeah, I don't even know what's in it. Like, it tastes like, I don't know what it tastes like.
Tastes like grouper,
Yep.
like fish.
Like grouper, like fish.
Here, finish yours off.
My dad's gonna go get his. We're gonna try his. Oh, guys, this is so good. If you want more of this, comment below. Like, this is super good. I'll bring it back.